Hi, I wanted to jump on and do a little short tutorial on the My Math. I don't have everything mastered yet for sure, but I just wanted to log on and show you what you have available. I'm logged in as a teacher. Ashley, I have your password saved on my Chromebook, and so we're still here just kind of investigating. Um, but I wanted to show you what this looked like. Here you have your lesson resources that are available to you that you can log on and assign to your students if you so wished. You can go up here to menu and resources and make sure you're on the right chapter and lesson. And then these are also available to assign to students. So it would show up in their to-do page. So most of these are like homework pages. Some of them are the quizzes, the quick checks. Some of the games are available. And so most of everybody knew these resources were available, and they were asking, how do you assign the ebook pages? I will get to that in a second, but what I have found is those are not part of the things that you can assign to kids. You just have to tell them what pages to do. One of the things I found that I really liked was down here in this plan and present. If you go to the lesson, the chapter in the lesson that you're interested in, they have this presentation link here. It was also on that first page, the home page that we went to, but I'm just going to click it. And this provides like a slideshow to go through with your kids um, that you can present your screen and show this, and they would have like a slideshow of the lesson. So I thought this was really neat. Some of these, you notice this says one of three. You can slide and add and discuss and talk about these counters and how to use them, discuss this math problem with drag and drop options. Um, and this is a third one. So there were three slides within this one slide. So I thought this was interesting if you choose to use it. You can also customize this in a place where you could take some of these out if you wanted to before your lesson. But I wanted to real quick just go back to your home screen. I wanted to show you the benefit of your ebook. So you could pull up your ebook with the students. They could log in a separate tab and pull up their own ebook. This one started on page 10, probably because I've clicked through it. But I'm just going to start here on page 2 and 3. The teacher, I have gotten on and written on it, so I want to erase that. You actually have to click the pen to get to the eraser. I want to make whatever you write on your own ebook, it will save it here. So if you're displaying this more than one time, you might know that you need to clear that out. So I'm going to be, or I would, if I were teaching, I might go through some of these pages that I expect the kids to go through, and then I want to show you a student ebook. Um, so here I have logged in as a student in a separate browser. I want to log into their ebook. It's starting them at 10 and 11 too. So I'm just going to go back to page 2 and 3 using these side arrows, and I'm going to use my pen. I can choose a color, and I'm just going to write some answers. Here's a subtraction problem. Here's a, let's add this one. And here we want them to mark out 2 because they rolled away, and how many are left are 4. Okay, so this girl has filled out this page with us. She has to click this check. Then when she clicks that check, it saves it in her ebook for her. So she's done. I'm going to send that away. As the teacher, I want to go back. Oh, I'm still in my ebook. I want to go back to my browser to the connected, and I want to go to the student section and click on that. And now I want to go in this ebook. And as this ebook, this is just the Teacher Center. But if you click here at this people and click the class, you can toggle between each of your students and watch this student did part of that. See, I just did that. So you can go through and see what your kids did. So you have it in a little bit different area than if you assigned it and were grading it.